Hey guys, it's your girl Najeé. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I will be doing a Fenty foundation review, and I'll be doing a Sephora concealer review and the brush review. Okay, so I've had this foundation for about 2 months or so now. This foundation is full coverage foundation. I'm going to put all the details for this specific shade and everything on the screen, but this foundation is full coverage, so a little goes a long way. So as you guys can see here, I'm just starting off at the bottom half of my face, putting the foundation, and then I'm going to eventually work my way up. So the brush set that I have is from Sephora. This is the complete makeup set brush kit collection. This set comes with a powder brush, blush brush, foundation brush, concealer brush, a crease brush, a shadow brush, and a eyebrow brush, as you guys can see. So I personally so far have only used the foundation brush that I'm showing you guys right here. It's very, very good. It's soft and it works wonders. And I've used the concealer brush right next to it, and I've also kind of used a little bit of the brow brush. But as you can see, all the other brushes are still gray because they're still clean. I have not gotten a chance to use them yet. In today's review, I'm only going to be using the foundation and the concealer and setting spray that you guys will see towards the end. The reason why is because I recently just cleaned out my makeup collection and I have to re-up and get a whole bunch of new products. So I have a few other things, but just to make today's look simple, just so you guys can pretty much get an understanding of the product, I'm just going to use the foundation and I'm going to use the concealer. So as you guys can see here, I'm pretty much blending in the foundation. It's very thick. Like I said, it's full coverage. I could have put just a little bit more, and you guys will see later on in the video I have kind of like a dark spot or mark that's showing on the side of my face. So you can put a little bit more, but you don't need to go crazy because it is full coverage. It's a very rich foundation. It's also a very vibrant foundation. It feels good on the skin. It doesn't feel like too much, it doesn't feel like it's, too heavy or anything like that. So like I said, I'm just at the bottom of my face now, and I still have to add a little bit of foundation to the top of my forehead. I was going to do my eyebrows, but I didn't want to do that in this video. So
my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
next is the Best Skin Ever concealer by Sephora. This concealer is the truth. It's really good. As you guys can just see, it's that full coverage. This is something else that's full coverage. I'm just testing the makeup here to see if it wipes off, but I'll explain that to you guys later. It did just a slight bit, but it's not like other foundations where it's easily wipeable. Like literally anything you touch, the makeup gets on. This foundation is not like that, especially when I use my setting spray that I'm going to show you guys towards the end. It doesn't do that at all. But these are the areas that I chose to conceal today. I don't always do the same areas. Sometimes I do the little 5-point. Other times I just do under my eye. Like I said, sometimes I do take the extra step and do my eyebrows, but I'm not doing that today. I don't need you. my Sephora's makeup collection brush. I like to use a brush and a sponge when I do my makeup. It really pretty much depends on what look I'm going for or what's available to me. At this moment, the brush was only available to me. I couldn't find my sponge, so that's how I'm using the brush. But the sponge works pretty well in addition to that. But also what I forgot to mention to you guys is that the Fenty foundation, at least for me personally, works the best with a brush and not with a sponge. I know some foundations are different, but I personally like using a brush compared to using a sponge when applying the foundation. I feel as if it gives it a more seamless finish. Also, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that this foundation is a matte foundation as well. Okay, y'all, so here's a little music break because I started playing a song. Well, it just came up. It's the saddest day of my life by Wayne Wonder. If you know, you know. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be singing for a little bit longer, but don't mind me. I'm just getting ready to put on the setting spray and then give you guys the final look of just the foundation and the concealer.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, hot faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
So this is the Le Mercier. I know there's two different ones. I know there's also like a Laura Mercier, but this is the Le Mercier setting spray. It's a matte setting spray, and when I tell you guys this works wonders, your makeup will not be transferring to any shirt. You can wear a white shirt after putting on the setting spray and know for a fact that it's not going to be nothing transferred whatsoever. And here's just going to be the last few seconds of the video with a close-up of how everything ended up looking. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, mostly subscribe so you can stay tuned in, and I will see you guys next time. Also, here I'm just using a regular hair store lip gloss just to add a little bit more pop to the look so my lips won't be dry. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Keep focus on dress, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny.